Lipstick for my teeth. Okay, I think I'm ready. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. Hey. So we've come to the end of the year 2019. Many of us set life goals as well as hair goals, and many of us hit them, but some of us did not. So now is our chance to get a fresh start. We're at the brink of a new year as well as a new decade. It's time for us to get our stuff together. So I have a list of a few things, a few resolutions, if you will, that I would like to achieve in the year 2020. Let's go ahead and get started. Number one is a goal I think that most of us are trying to achieve, and that is keeping up with our trims. I tried to dust, but I have to stop being lazy and being irresponsible and actually going to get a trim. I have friends that are stylists. I have friends who don't use paper shears. Yes, there are times when I'm impulsive and a knot or some split ends are getting on my nerves so badly that I'll grab the closest pair of scissors to me, be it in the kitchen drawer, on my desk at work. I feel like in 2019 I did make more of a conscious effort to keep up with my trims, but I can do better. So before it starts to get warm here where I live, I'm probably going to straighten again just to make sure that I maintain healthy ends as much as possible for as long as possible. Next up, to aid in my hair journey as well as in my overall health journey, I could definitely increase my water intake. Now, if you know me, you know I don't keep juice, I don't keep soda or anything like that in my house. My mentality has always been if I don't have it, I'm going to be too lazy to go get it. So if it's not accessible to me in my home, I'm definitely not going to make a conscious effort to go get it. It's literally water and calorie-free drinks like that. That is what I drink. I choose to eat my calories. I don't want to drink them. All the more reason for me to increase my water intake. There was a point in time in my life where I would actively try to drink at least a gallon a day, but I can't, like, the bathroom breaks got to be incessant and I just can't be bothered with that. I feel like I can find some type of middle ground between the water intake that I have now and me drinking over a gallon a day, because I have things to do. I can't be in the bathroom every 3 minutes. Also, another lifestyle resolution that could also aid in my overall hair journey, and that's maintaining consistency with my fitness. You all know, if you've been following me for the last few months, that I was in the gym. If you've been following me here as well as on Instagram, you all saw that I was hitting the gym really hard for a couple of months, but your girl, I fell off. Matter of fact, I didn't fall off. I jumped off. The holidays came and I was just over it. I know better, and because I know better, I have to do better. So I'm definitely going to be getting back in the gym, or at least working out at home. If I don't hit the gym, I want to make sure I do something, even if it's just a 15-minute walk. Just being human, there are just times where we just don't feel like it, but it's important for me to push myself, not only so I can look better, but also so I can just feel better. Number 4 is another lifestyle thing that I just kind of fell off with, and that is keeping up with my multivitamins. If you know me in real life, you know that I am a multivitamin supplement buying somebody. Just to aid in overall health as well as improve my energy, I would take a number of supplements. I've taken apple cider vinegar, vitamin D because I'm a black woman, vitamin B for energy, wheatgrass. Like, I fell off so hard with my vitamins, and I've definitely felt the difference in my body as well as in my energy. So in 2020, I just need to do better. I wouldn't say that my hair necessarily felt a deficit. I figure if I get back into taking my vitamins and supplements, not only will I look and feel better, but my hair and nails and skin will probably benefit from that as well. The rest of my resolutions are definitely more so personal to me, my hair journey, as well as my YouTube channel. Number 5 specifically is for me to mix it up. If you watch my original flat twist video where I tried the curl combination that I found from the young lady on Instagram, I'll make sure I link it in the cards. That particular video was a curl cocktail that I didn't even think about. So in 2020, I want to make sure that I try not only to just use my stash, but also to put things together that don't seem necessarily conventional, or just to continue trying to combine products that I just know that I love and that I know work for me. So in 2020, I just want to make a conscious effort to just mix it up and try different combinations that I think may work. Number 6 is just for me to experiment. If you've been watching me for any amount of time, you know that I stick to the same style. I've done braid outs literally for years. Before the Mo Knows hair video, I can't remember the last time I've done a regular 2-strand twist out. And before that curl combo that I just mentioned, I can't remember the last time I've done a flat twist either. I haven't had a relaxer in almost a decade, and it wasn't until this year that I actually attempted to do a Bantu knot. Every now and again I'll jump out the window and try something new, but once I master a style, I continue to do it over and over and over again, and I'll just change out the products, which there isn't anything wrong with that. But in 2020, I want to actively make a conscious effort to experiment with different styles, tools, and techniques. And I'm telling you all to hold me accountable. Make me try different things, as long as I'm capable of doing it. I've lost count. I don't know what number we're on. I think we're on number 7. My next resolution in 2020 is to not buy every new product. Feel effect. With me choosing to restart, revamp, redo my channel in 2019, I felt the way to encourage viewership and build my channel was to buy every single new collection that launched. So in 2020, that's done. I'm just not going to do that anymore. I'm going to buy products that I want to use, that I want to try, that I want to buy, that I want to invest in. I'm no longer interested in jumping on the bandwagon with what's new and what's hot and what has people's attention temporarily. I am going to buy what I am interested in. I feel like I've built a genuine audience here, and if there are people that are not interested in my content strictly because I'm not creating content around what's new and what's hot, they don't have to watch. If there are people who are only interested in content about what's new and what's hot, then this might not be the channel for you. Of course, I'll still be buying and trying new products. That's just a part of who I am, and that's a part of the community that we've built here. But I'm simply just not going to be buying every single new buzz item. Ain't nobody got time for that. My next resolution is kind of tying into the last one, and that's to continue to build my YouTube audience slowly. I was in a rush to build an audience, and I was buying all of the hot new ticket items. Of course, we've built a great family here on this channel, but I have to chill. I'm so grateful for every single one of you that watch my videos, that like my videos, that share my videos, that comment on my videos. Even those of you who dislike them, I see y'all. Thank you still for watching. I appreciate it. I feel like we've built a genuine family here on my channel, and I'm so grateful. I feel like a huge portion of my gratitude is because we've slowly built this genuine family here. So yes, I don't have hundreds of thousands or millions of subscribers, but I'm so grateful for every single subscriber that I do have, because I'd rather have a small channel with the great engagement that I have now, as opposed to having a huge audience of lurkers. All that to say, I appreciate every single one of you. You all wouldn't even have any insight to this next resolution, but my friends behind the scenes would. My next resolution is to stop stressing over YouTube analytics. If you know me, you know I am incessantly checking my YouTube analytics. How many views did we get in this many hours? How many thumbs up do we have? Did I make sure I acknowledged and replied to everyone? Again, just to stress how much I appreciate your viewership and your engagement. I am obsessive behind the scenes. People really underestimate the time, the effort, the work, the dedication it takes to put into YouTube content. And there are times where you don't get the viewership or the engagement that you would like, and that can really affect you. So in 2020, I'm simply going to stop stressing about YouTube analytics, because if we're going to tell the truth and shame the devil, the YouTube algorithm ain't checking for me anyway. Finally, my last resolution with regards to my hair journey as well as my YouTube channel is to just have fun. Again, if you know me in real life, I put a lot of time and a lot of effort into my videos. I would stress about what video I was gonna put up, making sure I had the new and right products to talk about. I've lost sleep behind making sure I get a video up in a timely manner, making sure my thumbnails were right, filling out my description box and all of that. When the whole time I started my channel as a creative outlet to have fun and to document my hair journey. In 2020, I just can't take myself so seriously. While I love doing YouTube, this is a hobby. This is not my career. So I just have to remember to loosen up and have fun. Be it related to life or your hair journey, make sure you drop down in the comments and let me know some of your resolutions for 2020. Continue to enjoy your holiday season. Happy New Year. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.